You need a bowl. And you're going to put all-purpose glue in it, and it has to be washable glue. Washable, or else this recipe will not work. So, glue. Actually, I'm not going to use clear glue. I'm going to use regular glue. Okay. Nope. If it'll come out any day. I don't know. As you could probably tell, I have a minor cold, but I'll be getting better soon, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So, you're gonna want food colored. I'm not gonna use red because it's empty. I'm gonna use yellow, so it's like food color yellow. It's like do one drop, and that's it. And then take a toothpick, not a toothpick, not a toothpick. Put it where this is a popsicle stick. Just mix it together. Yeah, okay, very funny. It should look like that. There's a glare kind of. Just mixing. Then if you want to make it stretchy, gotta put in some body lotion. Put in a pretty good amount of that, like not much. The white stuff. And just mix it in. Just like give it a good stir. Should turn out that. And then shaving foam, and put as much shaving foam in as glue. So that's about as much glue as I put in. Then just mix. Just keep mixing until your arms just like fall off. Except don't do that because that would be bad. I'm just mixing it. And if you don't add food coloring in, it should look like whipped cream, like really tasty whipped cream. Except you shouldn't put too much glue or shaving cream in. So we learned from another YouTuber, Gillian. So she makes slime, and she told us that you have to use washable glue or else it will not work and it won't come out to be slime. So we're going to take some saline solution. You could use borax if that was the only thing you had. If not, then use contact solution. So you only want to put in a little bit at a time because if you overactivate it, it will just become rubbery and not fun to play with. So as you can see, it's coming together. I can't really talk today because I have a very bad cold. Well, not very bad, but just like a minor cold. Okay. Someone just threw a chicken at me. It's like a chicken. It's so weird. Okay. Stop it! I don't want that chicken. Some people in this world. So it's like together really good. And once you're happy with its like consistency, consistency, then you can start to knead it if it needs kneading. Get it? Knead. Bad puns. Oh. I'm a very weird person. So. Oh. I'm cringy, just saying. I noticed that. I am very cringy. Okay, so. Again, I made slime. And, so it's clicky and it's stretchy. See that? Now I'll take it off the stick. And I'll play with it. Stick. And it's snowing where we are, so. And the wind is blowing. So, yeah. It has nothing to do with slime. So, this, no. You can see it's like sticky, non-sticky. And if you want, you could add more lotion. Like that. I'm very cringy, and there's people writing and telling me what to do. So every time I stop, I look over. Okay, so my friend DJ Ice Masta is a fellow YouTube channel person, fellow YouTuber. I know them very well, and just go follow them. It's at DJ Ice Masta of the music. So shout out to them. Love you guys. Kind of, not really. I like it. Okay, whatever. So kind of stretchy, right? Really stretchy. Pretty stretchy. Ooh, nice. Get out of the video, dude. That's my cameraman, which is not doing his duty right now. He just was lazy and just put it on a water bottle. Lazy cameraman. Okay, so if you liked this video, comment down below what you like most about it, and give us some slime ideas, or give me some slime ideas to do next time. And if you did like it, thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Okay, have fun with your slime.